Top 5 Best Gold Melting Furnace in 2024. Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. Digital Heating Gold Melting Furnace Machine Features. Using high-quality materials, high temperature resistance, high efficiency. Small size, convenient to operate and store. Quartz protecting wall, sealed in one with heat emission hole. Temperature control meter has wide measuring range, high accuracy, and quick thermal response. High-quality crucible and crucible tongues, high temperature resistant, corrosion resistant, and durable. The 3 kg digital heating capacity refining precious metal silver 2100 watts gold melting furnace machine is a must-have, jewelry enthusiasts and professionals alike. Designed for precision and efficiency, this metal casting for beginners tool boasts a robust 2100 watt power output, ensuring rapid heating and melting of metals. The custom plug feature allows for versatile use across various electrical systems, making it a valuable addition to any jewelry workshop. Number 5. Digital Gold Melting Furnace for gold, silver, copper. High-quality melting furnace, power 1400 watts, 3 kilograms of large capacity, voltage 110 volt max, heating temp 152 metals could be melted completely in 40 to 48 minutes. Warm tips. Always follow the instructions to ensure the best performance and lasting use. Feel free to contact us if any issue. Graphite crucible designed. Grooved graphite crucible is specially designed for easy removal from the furnace. Insulated lid holds heat in and keeps oxygen out for a cleaner melt. Say no to any metal waste. Smart precise controlling. Equipped with advanced PID module and digital control system, provide accurate and convenient metal melting, monitoring the actual temperature in the melting chamber at 2-second intervals so that it will not overheat or cool. Smelt quickly. The furnace wire seal integrated machine can be heated and heated quickly. It can be heated up to 150 degrees Celsius and can melt metals with melting point below 150 degrees Celsius in 48 minutes, such as gold, sterling silver, pure copper, and aluminum. Perfect 7-in-1 melting kit. Comes with the parcel as gold furnace machine, 1 graphite crucible, 1 graphite ingot mold, 1 forceps, 1 high-temperature gloves, 1 power cord, 1 instruction manual. This smelting furnace is ideal for professional use of the industry and the workshop.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.